How to extract text from image by using the Microsoft Word. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, if at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so I'm going to show the best method that you can use, and you can easily convert, you can easily extract the text from image, okay, by using the Microsoft Word. Okay, so let me open the Microsoft Word. Okay guys, so here this is my Microsoft Word file has opened. This blank page I had just checked. Okay, so here we need to open that image. Go to the file. Okay, go to the insert, go to the insert image from device, select that image and insert it. Okay, now this is insert. Now select, click on this image, click on this option which is layout option, and select, okay, secure. Okay, select this option which is front on, in front of text. Okay, now just right click on it, go to the format picture, go to the image, go to the picture correction, and increase the sharpness, increase the also brightness, sorry, decrease brightness like this. Also increase the contrast by around 9% to 22%. It should be look like, visible, more visible. If it is not visible, or maybe sometime the image is not clear, so you can make changes like here as per your requirement. Then just close it. Okay, you need to change the brightness and all. After that, you go to the file, go to the export, change the file type. Here go to the save as, select the location where you want to save it, select the PDF file. Here under the tools, go to the compress in picture, and one second, let me show. Okay, go to the compress picture, and if this option enable to you, then just select it and enable it. In my case, I have only 3 options, so you need to select this option, high definition, and just click OK. And just, you can rename your file. And save it. Now just delete this existing image. Again, we need to go in file, go to the open. Now we need to go in browse, and you need to select that file, that PDF file which just we converted from image to PDF. Now just select this, and you can use open and repair, or you can simply open it. So you can see the all text has been extracted. Some text may be not extract properly because maybe they are not more visible or not clear, so they are extract as the image. So you need to manually correct it by typing. Okay, with this I am going to show you the another option which is perfectly working on it will be perfectly working on any image. So I will show you. Open your browser and search for text extractor from image. So you can see the lots of tools come up. So simply I'm using this source, which is very useful to extract text from image. Just open it, just browse your image, and okay, you need to browse, select the image here and open it. So it will be start extracted. You need to click on convert. Okay, it will be converted in txt file. Now you need to download from here. You can simply copy text from here. So let me download it first. Okay, So I just open it. You can see the alt text properly extracted. Just select the alt text, copy it, come to the Microsoft Word. I'll just take the new page and paste here by clicking Ctrl plus V. So you can see all text has been perfectly extracted and it is connoted in tags, editable tags. So you can edit here. You can simply select the, if you want to increase decrease the space between the line, just select the line, go to the layout, and you need to decrease the space. You need to select the 0 pt for both before and after. Okay, and you can edit your everything here, and you can now you can save this file as a PDF or JPG, or you can keep it as a Word file in your device. So make it Word file, rename it and save it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.